So I have this thing for carabiners, and I don't know, I like to collect them. I like to use them, but I often have more than I need. So this one, they sell at Walmart. I found it in the automotive section, and it's made of aluminum. I swear though, I have seen these in the past with plastic mini carabiners, so I never bought them, but I decided to go ahead and buy these because they're metal. The only thing is, they don't tell you on the package how many of these little mini carabiners you get, so it's really easy for someone to take them. I guess compared to the other ones, and they all seem to have 5, so I guess it's 5. As you can see, there's no zip tie or anything to keep them from being stolen. There is for this one, but whatever. But I always find a use for these carabiners. Yeah, the little ones just slip right off. The big one, well, I have to use a knife to cut the zip tie, but I mean, they're mini carabiners. I guess you can use them for what the package says, identifying stuff, or they seem to be pretty good. They seem to have a good retention. Kind of hard to do with one hand. I put one on my survival necklace. So, as with most things, I didn't notice the little graphic on the bottom, so I guess it does tell you how many you get, including the little ring. So, pretty cool.